Hey everyone! In this tutorial I will show you how to use sequence function. Instead of writing every number, this function allows you to fill cells with a series of numbers automatically, saving you time and effort. The syntax for the sequence function is pretty straightforward. It looks like this. Rows, this is the number of rows you want in your sequence. Columns, this is optional and specifies the number of columns. Start, this is also optional and defines the starting number of the sequence. Step, this parameter defines the increment between each number in the sequence. Now, as you can see, 100 rows has its number. If you want to make it with zeros or symbol like this, I will show you how. In front of sequence, write word text, and behind sequence parameters, put comma, and in quotation marks put zeros, and don't forget to end bracket. If we want to add symbol, we need to write in front of text, with quotation marks our symbol, and then write the ampersand. If you don't know how to write ampersand, try this. And that's it for this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching.